delivering 10 dimensions of clean. Well, let's see if it lives up to the hype. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today I am continuing to take the Persil challenge, and I have a dress that I need to wash in cold water. Let me show it to you. This is my beautiful multicolored dress, and it needs to be machine washed cold on the gentle cycle. So let's just see if Persil can give this dress the 10-dimensional clean that's promised. What am I most concerned about? I want the colors to remain bright. So let's see what happens. We'll take a look at it once it comes out. Well, let's get this dress out of the wash. Let's see how bright the colors are. I think it looks pretty good. Colors are nice and bright. And the big thing is the whites don't look dingy. Looking pretty good, pretty good. Well, let me get it in the dryer. Well, I think that's another win for Persil. The colors were nice and bright. The white wasn't dingy. I'm really pleased with the way that turned out. So now here's a question for you. When you need to do a delicate wash in cold water, what's your go-to? What's your holy grail for cleaning product? Tell us about it in the comment section below. Sometimes the best ideas come from right here in the TNT community, so I'd really like to know what you use. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share the love by sharing the link and subscribe. Just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for 45 years. And I've done a lot of laundry, a lot of cooking, and a whole lot of cleaning. So if you want to know more about running a household, subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.